Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello everyone, and hello Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today we will learn words from this category. Clothes, with words like shirt and shoes.
That sounds useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the clothes words.
Great. I will listen and repeat. Clothes. Shirt. Shirt. Pants. Pants. Dress. Dress. Skirt. Skirt. Shoes. Shoes. Hat. Hat. Coat. Coat. Jacket. Jacket. Socks. Socks. Sweater. Sweater. Jeans. Jeans. T-shirt. T-shirt. I know many clothes words now.
Good. Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary learned. Match the image with the correct word.
Dress. Pants. T-shirt. Shirt. What is this? Shirt. What is this? Pants. What is this? Dress. Hat. Skirt. Shoes. Jacket. What is this? Skirt. What is this? Shoes. What is this? Hat. Dress. Jacket. Coat. Socks. What is this? Coat. What is this? Jacket. What is this? Socks. T-shirt. Socks. Sweater. Jeans. What is this? Sweater. What is this? Jeans. What is this? T-shirt.
How was the quiz, Nexo? Now, let's hear the vocabulary in context.
It was fun. The pictures helped me. Clothes. Shirt. The shirt is blue. The shirt is blue. Pants. The pants are black. The pants are black. Dress. The dress is red. The dress is red. Skirt. The skirt is short. The skirt is short. Shoes. The shoes are new. The shoes are new. Hat. The hat is on the chair. The hat is on the chair. Coat. The coat is warm. The coat is warm. Jacket. The jacket is green. The jacket is green. Socks. The socks are white. The socks are white. Sweater. The sweater is soft. The sweater is soft. Jeans. The jeans are blue. The jeans are blue. T-shirt. The t-shirt is yellow. The t-shirt is yellow.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I will look at the image and choose the sentence. The shirt is blue. A. The pants are black. A. The dress is red. A. The skirt is short. C. The shoes are new. C. The hat is on the chair. A. The coat is warm. B. The jacket is green. C. The socks are white. B. The sweater is soft. B. The jeans are blue. B. The t-shirt is yellow. B.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, everyone. Please continue with the next lesson.
I liked this class. Close words are useful.
I am glad. You did very well today.